a TV is placed on a cabinet. Assuming the TV has two legs, so we're going to assume that's one leg, that's the other leg. Draw a force diagram to show the forces acting on the TV and B on the TV cabinet. So here we have our TV. Like I said, this is just going to act as one leg only, although it's actually in four in reality. This is going to be one leg as well. So let's have a look of the forces on the TV. So there will be the weight of the TV, which acting downwards, okay, and then there will be two resultant normal forces acting of the legs of the TV. One here if this touches just once here, and one here if this touches just once here. For the forces acting on the cabinet, okay, there will be the reaction of the leg acting downwards here and the reaction of the leg acting downwards here. Okay, which will be opposite in direction to the forces upwards on the legs of the TV. And then there will be the normal of the floor acting on the cabinet, but we do not consider the weight of the cabinet because that's actually acting on the floor. Okay, so those are the forces on if you place the TV on this cabinet like that. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.